In this video, I'll be turning my Synology BeeDrive into a fully encrypted mobile backup solution using macOS. As someone who is always on the go, the BeeDrive provides me with a portable solution to back up files on my MacBook Pro and iPhone wherever I may be. Also, now that the BeeDrive comes with a 3-year Acronis True Image Essentials license, I'm able to back up my entire MacBook Pro, so if something happens to it, I can do a complete restore of the operating system, applications, settings, and files. The one thing that would really make it a complete mobile backup solution for me is having the BeeDrive fully encrypted, which isn't how it's configured out of the box. That way, if I misplaced it, I'd just be sad that I lost the drive, but not worried that the files stored on it could be seen. Synology's FAQ for the BeeDrive also mentions that you won't lose any of the BeeDrive's functionality after encrypting the drive, so I really think it's worth doing, especially if privacy is important for your setup, which it is for me. If having a fully encrypted mobile backup solution using a BeeDrive sounds appealing to you, and you're watching this video around the time of its release, Synology is running a graduation season special offer on the 1TB and 2TB BeeDrive, where you can get 10% off if you use their promo code during checkout. Also, for my channel viewers, if you're interested in purchasing the 2TB BeeDrive, use the promo code Aloha20 to get 20% off of your purchase. Now, let's get to configuring the BeeDrive with full disk encryption. I plugged my BeeDrive into my MacBook Pro and, to prepare for this video, reformatted it to factory default, which is in exFAT format. Next, I'll do a spotlight search for disk utility and launch the application. From here, make sure Show All Devices is selected from the View menu. Then right-click on the top level or parent listing of the BeeDrive and click Erase. You'll then want to enter a name, set the format to APFS Encrypted, then enter and verify a password you'd like to use in the pop-up window that appears. You can also set a password hint, then click Choose. Set the scheme to GUID partition map, and once done, click Erase. Disk Utility will start erasing the BeeDrive, and once the process is complete, you can click Done. You can quit Disk Utility, eject the BeeDrive, and plug it in again. You should now get a prompt to enter your password to unlock the BeeDrive, so enter it in and click Unlock to decrypt and mount the drive. At this point, if you have the BeeDrive app installed like I do, you can launch it and you'll see that your BeeDrive shows up as healthy. You can then start using it to back up or sync files with your computer, back up your photos and videos from iCloud, and set up photo backup or BeeDrop with your mobile device. Also, if you have Acronis True Image installed, you can start setting that up as well. I'll leave links in the description below to BeeDrive documentation that you can refer to regarding the various applications you can set up with your BeeDrive, so have a look for further details. One last thing, you'll notice that the BeeDrive logo is no longer being displayed on your BeeDrive after it was formatted. If you want it back, you can go to Synology's Download Center, select B Series for the product type, then select either of the BeeDrive listings. You'll then want to download the BeeDrive for Desktop installation kit directly to your BeeDrive. Once the download is complete, open your BeeDrive and within the BeeDrive folder that was downloaded, confirm that you see the BeeDrive device ICO file. Next, right-click on your BeeDrive and select Get Info. Now drag and drop the BeeDrive device ICO file over the drive icon in the BeeDrive info window to replace it with a BeeDrive icon. At this point, you should have a fully encrypted BeeDrive for all of your backup and file syncing needs. If you are a Windows user, look for another video on setting up full disk encryption on a BeeDrive in the next few days. Lastly, if you'd like to support my work or hire me to help you set up your BeeDrive with full disk encryption, feel free to contact me by clicking on the link on screen or in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.